what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening?
Hindi na talaga mapigilan ni Paolo Abilino ang hindi makatingin kay Kim Chiu kahit saan. Sinisigurado niyang laging safe si Kim. Sapat na siguro ang mga video clips nila sa California na makapagpapatunay na sila na talaga dahil hindi naman ganoon ka-caring si Paolo Abilino sa iba niyang leading lady noon. Hindi man nila aminin, kitang-kita naman sa kanilang galawan. Parang kailan lang noong nag-guest sila sa Milan, Italy. Ngayon ay umabot na sa California, USA at very consistent pa rin si Paolo Abilino kay Kim.